Okay, this is the belt change for RM150 and RM120, both the same. First things we need to do is remove the two guards. So we just use a 17mm ratchet. Just loosen this bolt off. And the same with the other side. On the side belt guard, you need to completely remove this bolt. Put them on the side. And the same with the other side. And then we've just got two bolts at the front that we need to loosen off. And then we can slip the two guards off. And there's two. Right, what we need to do next is we need a 13mm spanner. And there's 3 bolts holding the engine down. So we just need to loosen them off a little bit. Make sure they're loose. What we need to do now is we need a 17mm spanner and a 17mm ratchet to undo the rear bolt that holds the tension. So on the back of this bolt there is a lock nut. Just loosen it off. fair way. All we need to do now is just push the engine forward. What we need to do now is put this side belt here, which is on the lower drive. Just need to push him down and slip him off its drives, like so. And then we need to drop the top belt down. So we put them onto the bottom, and then he should just slide off. Lift him up and over that drive, and same with the bottom belt. So they're both off. When replacing, what you need to do is make sure that this first belt you slip over the front drive, and then just let him sit there out the way. Then you need to get the second belt, put him over the drive on the engine, and put him onto the top of the front drive and the pulley drive on the engine, and then just slip him onto that top cog. Then we can go to the other side, and then we can put him onto the bottom of each drive. Like so. And then the same. So this belt here drives onto the bottom, and the other belt goes to the tops. What we can do now is tighten up and put tension back onto the belts. Taking tension. That's quite tight enough. Just lock the nut off that bolt. And then we can retighten the engine back down. Making sure them bolts are tight. And now we can replace the two side guards. the guard in it. So it's fully into place. And same with the other side. And retighten the two front bolts. And then just the two side ones. And then your belt change is now complete.